家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and here to bring you a song from Huang Yuhan called Social Phenomenon or Safi Henhyong. Now, the song describes the modern-day pursuit of praise on social media, which sometimes could bring lots of slander. And that's why she uses a warlike drum beat that resembles the attack you find online. Let's go ahead and listen to this song again called Safi Henhyong. Safi Henhyong 就是社会现象，这是黄宇涵所带的歌曲，在描述有一些人呢，期望在网络世界里受大众喜爱，不受他人指点，却依旧最后受到责骂，发现呢一切都只是徒劳。除了歌词之外呢，我们黄宇涵呢还用这个低沉的电贝斯和电吉他的旋律来打出这种战场的意象，来描述那些在网络上自以为很有正义，用尖锐言语伤害他人的乡民。记得哦，你的正确不是一种残害他人的权利，而且有一天可能还会伤害到你自己。Another song brought to you by Huang Yuhan called Safi Henhyong, Social Phenomenon. My name is Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.